Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. Happy New Year's to all. Cheers. In today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this 10-minute wig install. Obviously the wig is from Crowns for Queens, and then I did a little light beat with a chit chat. So if you guys are interested in seeing pretty much what we talked about and what we achieved and the steps and all the tools and everything in today's video, keep watching.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at I am Salicia, and follow my hair company page at Crowns for Queens _ on Instagram. Let's jump into this. So, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to show you guys how I am able to install my wig in literally 5 minutes, because this is a glueless wig. So this is a wig that I already had. I've had it for a while. It's a 22-inch. Actually, I recorded the initial install of this wig, and in that video I explained that it is a glueless wig. And I'm going to show you guys what makes a wig glueless. So this is a closure wig, a 6x6 closure wig, and this is my personal wig. So I only have 2 combs in it, which is one at the very top. I don't know if you guys can see that. One at the very top, and then one at the very back, the nape. And I only do that to stop my wig from sliding back, and then to hook it in the bottom for security. And then as you can see here, there's a band in the inside, which is also going to hold the wig, so this way it's nice and secure. This wig is obviously from Crowns for Queens. Like I said, it is a 22-inch jet black wig. All wigs come pre-plucked, knots are bleached. This wig was custom color jet black. They do come in the natural color, but I'm a jet black girl. If you know, jet black is going to set the vibe. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to use technically one product to do this. And my one product is holding spray. Typically I use the Ebin holding spray, and this one I have in a color. Yeah, so step 1 is you have to have braids already in your hair. Okay, now what I do is I make sure my scalp is clean, and then I'm just gonna spray, and this is just gonna help give the melted look. So I sprayed it. You want to wait till it get a little tacky. And then I'm going to take the strap, and I'm going to tilt my head down. Make sure the strap is in the back and my braids are hanging. I probably should rubber band it. I don't know. Okay, whatever. On the back. And then I'm going to flip it forward. And then before I do anything, I want to make sure that my comb at the top is pressed into one of my braids, so this way, like I said, it adds that extra security. So just want to make sure that that comb is good in one of the braids, and you got to make sure it's further enough back, because if not, you see that hump, you don't want to have a hump. You want to make sure it's further enough back. So I'm gonna slide it back just a little bit more. Okay, that's good. And then I'm just going to adjust it to how I want it. And then I'm going to take the comb that is in the back of my wig, and I'm going to clamp it underneath my braids for that added security. And that's it. And we're going to brush it. So now the next step is you want to make sure that you have a hair clip. It's going to pin all of your hair back. I see Celine. She wants to say hi so bad. Say hey, Lainey. Now go. Bye bye. I do want my baby hairs out, but I think I'm gonna spray it and melt it first, and then I'll do the baby hairs. So again, this is the Ebin tinted lace melt in the color dark brown. It does come in a lot of different colors. You want to make sure you shake it up before you use it, just so this way you know, the color is mixed in. And you can also use this after an install if you want to make your install last longer. And as you can see, I hope you guys can see that, like, it's literally colored. So it's going to, well, it's called tinted for a reason. It's going to tint it but melt it at the very same time. Now you will need to clean it after sometimes because it leaves like a little color dye on your forehead, which is why I like to dab it in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take my band and I'm going to place it towards the very end of my lace, so this way like the little HD lace flyaways could be laid down, because sometimes I do hate having to always go in and cut on my wigs, so this just helps me not have to do that. I'm just going to readjust my back to make sure that it's nice and good, because I do not want those braids hanging out. Now that's it. Now we're going to give that like 20 minutes to set in, and while that sets in, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to take this spray, which, you know, all the girls use to make that part nice and crisp, and I like to just spray just a little bit. Like I said, my wig is already jet black and dyed and everything to perfection, so a little goes a long way for me. I don't like it to be too skinny, and then that's going to be giving wig for sure. Now and this hot comb is also from Crown Shore Queens. You can order it on my website. I ship next day. Bundles do ship same day. Any in-stock wig ships same day. Any custom order or pre-order that comes in a natural color or jet black ships in 2 days. And any custom wigs, as in custom color, bleach, blondes, anything, those vary from 5 to 10 business days. So yes, support a young black entrepreneur and shop with me if you would like to experience the luxury and royalty of being a queen. Talk to me. Who you know? Who you know? Glueless, come on now. You can literally, when you order your wig, you can literally put it on. Snip the lace. If you do ask, I do cut the lace off for you, but I typically don't like doing that, but I will. This wig, like I said, has layers. As you can see, she is cut into some cute little layers, so you could bump it and give that 90s vibe. Her name is Onyx as well on the website. If you want this exact wig that I have on, as you can see how flat it is. And put the hookah down. Put the hookah down. No humps, no lumps. You can't see no tracks, and you can see how full it is. And it's only 3 bundles. 3 bundles, 22 inches. Yeah, and it gives the vibes. You can always you can always add an additional bundle if you're like a girly who loves more than 3, like 4 or 5 bundles. I do guarantee that I could put up to 5 bundles in a wig. Just know that that wig is heavy, and it can make it harder for you when you are doing glueless installs. But you guys see this? You guys see this? This is glueless. Now this black line is because I just sprayed that black spray. But the trick to that is alcohol. I'm just gonna clean that and then reapply my makeup in that area. Excuse me. And then I'm going to use Chai, which is my darker concealer, and I'm just going to drag it down the middle of my part to be very crisp and defined, but I don't want it to be OD light. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the last couple steps so we can wrap this up. I'm going to take a hair wax stick, and then I'm also going to spray my hairspray, and then I'm going to just take all of those flyaways away. Ooh.
I'm pulling up wacky and grease. Came a long way from the east. Leaving a cream on the sheets. My brother say he want a niece. When I'm with you, it's a safe space. Baby, you bring PPs. You know how I get in the streets. None of it shallow is deep. Yeah. I wanna cuddle for weeks. Mama them think that you innocent. No, you turn into a freak. Don't really care about your aces. Whatever it is, it could be. They playing on making them see. I know you swinging the whole EP.